So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I achieve this birthday flyer design with Pixellab using my smartphone. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop any interesting video like this. So first thing I did here, come over to background here and click on from gallery. Then select this particular flyer. I'm trying to get the exact size I used for this design. So select this flyer, this is it, and then this is the size I used. Change the color to white, the background color, and then this is the size I used, 1023 by 1280. So the next thing I did here, let me increase the size and use this as reference, centralize it and lock it up. So let me import the resources I used for this design. So I used this and okay, I didn't use this and I didn't use this as well. So I used just this and this. Yeah, so bring it here and reduce the size like this, so I'm trying to get something similar to what I did here. So reduce the size like this, and then okay, come over to shadow, enable it, change the color to white, radius to 0, and then offset X to 4. So lock it up. Then bring in this picture, increase the size, let's reduce the opacity so I'll be seeing what I'm doing. So this, reduce the size, and then this is it. So yeah, something similar. Oh, let's reduce it a little bit. So this is it. Increase the size, copy it, and then come over to 3D rotation and change the perspective. Come over to rotate and leave it at +2. Increase it and then place it here. So go ahead, lock it up, and then let's hide the pictures. So let me import the particular background I used for this particular flyer. So I use this green background. Scroll up until this is the background I used. This is the background. So increase it like this, and then place it here. Yeah, something like this. So this is the flyer we are trying to replicate. So bring it here, and then if you can look closely, check the background and look closely, you'll see a picture. I added a picture here, and there is something like a text behind this picture. So let me show you how I achieved that. Enable the background, which is this. Then you write, bring in your text and write happy, then change it to white. Then let's use Bebas as the font, or the typeface rather. So this is Bebas. So increase it, and then this is it. Increase the size, something like this. So centralize it, yeah. Then copy it and write birthday. Reduce the size and place it here. So centralize it as well and place it somewhere here. So copy this picture, and then copy it and keep it somewhere here. So let me reduce the size of this, reduce the size a little bit. So centralize it and reduce the size of this as well, centralize it. So leave this picture here and come over to this background, copy the background like this and leave it like this as well. Then go to opacity and reduce it. So this was how I achieved this. So take this picture behind these texts like this, lock this and lock this, lock the background as well. This is it and this is the before. So increase it, let's leave it at 90. So that was how I achieved this. Then enable these pictures and take it up like this and like this. So this is what we are replicating. So let me take the second picture like this, and then take this like this. So perfect, 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 perfect. This is it. So you can come here and write anything you want to write. Happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Change the color to black, and then the size, then place it like this, something like this. So let's change the fonts to something better. Let's use a corporate font like Nexa. So come to line spacing, increase it like this. I think, let me copy this, select all, copy, and then I'll paste it here and I'll paste it here as well. So this is it. So the next thing, place it like this, then align, you click this particular one, and then let's take this text behind. Let me reduce the size, and then take it behind this picture, and then lock it up. So that is that. You can reduce the opacity as well, because it's just for design, nothing much. Reduce it like this, or rather take it behind this. But let's leave it here. Then reduce the opacity, something like this is not bad. So the next thing I did here, I imported this. Okay, let me blend this first of all. Go to shape and then click on gradients, click on this particular one, place it here, then take this picture like this. So that is it. Then the next thing here, let me import this. So this was the stuff I used, and place it here like this. So now let's write. Start from beauty, then the color is white. So I've forgotten the name of this particular font, but I'll have to search for it. So let's scroll up until I get the particular font I need. So even if you didn't find the font, you can use something similar. I think that font should be somewhere here. That font should be somewhere here. So let me pause the video and get the font. So this is the font, Blue Brush. Click on it and so the next thing I did, let me import this happy birthday stuff. So this is it, this is it. Reduce the size and place it here. Then so the next thing I did here, let me import this icon here. So let's import this tone paper, which is this. Then this was the particular tone paper I used. Bring it here and increase the size. Then increase the enable the color and change it to white. So that is it. I think we are done with the design. We are done with the design. So try this out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one.